Bonjour à tous, and welcome to the final installment of our series, Learning French Pronunciation by Ear. For this video to be effective, I definitely recommend starting from the beginning of the series and watching our other videos first, if you haven't done so already. The main point that we've been trying to make is that pronunciation seems to be the most difficult part of learning a language for most people, and that our progress can actually be stunted by the traditional methods we use to practice. Especially drilling, which is essentially trying to force ourselves into proper pronunciation. Not only does this usually fail to get us results, but it can frustrate and dishearten us to the point of giving up. Think about that. How many times have you drilled pronunciation and just felt worse afterwards? Well, we're convinced that it doesn't have to be this way, that there's a better way, that if we focus on the big picture and not trying to do everything correctly, we can improve our pronunciation naturally. The first step is to listen to the musical quality of a word or a sentence and sing it back. The second step is to turn your English-speaking mouth into a French-speaking mouth by adjusting your vowel placement. In our previous video, we focused on applying these techniques only to the vowel sounds, and now, the fourth step will have us add the consonants back into the phrase and come full circle. For this exercise, I've asked our friend Guillaume from our intermediate program News in Slow French to help us out. Salut Guillaume!
Salut!
Guillaume and I will demonstrate the entire exercise once. Okay Guillaume, let's hear the first sentence.
Qu'est-ce que tu veux dire?
Step 1. Match the intonation. Qu'est-ce que tu veux dire? Step 2. Place the voice far forward in the mouth and engage the lips. Qu'est-ce que tu veux dire? Now, pronounce just the vowel sounds. E, I, I. And now, add the consonants back in. Qu'est-ce que tu veux dire? Great. Okay, let's try another one. This time, you say the sentences after Guillaume.
Nous sommes tout à fait d'accord.
Step 1. Match the intonation. Step 2. Place the voice far forward in the mouth and engage the lips. Step 3. Just pronounce the vowel sounds. And step 4. Add the consonant sounds back in. Excellent! All right, one more example, and let's see if you can work through the technique on your own. We'll leave the text up here on the screen, and you'll hear Guillaume say the sentence 4 more times.
Cette année, j'apprends les doigts dans le nez. Cette année, j'apprends les doigts dans le nez. Cette année, j'apprends les doigts dans le nez. Cette année, j'apprends les doigts dans le nez.
And there you go. A final note on consonants. Some are more difficult than others, but don't let any difficult sounds slow you down. They'll develop naturally in time with consistent effort. And finally, remember, you can and should adapt this exercise to your own needs. You might find that one or more of the steps is not as helpful, so spend less time on it, or leave it out altogether. However, I do encourage you to try out the whole sequence at least once. Thanks for watching.